tryna tell us that we all high. They just mad cause we won't stop. I could do this shit all the time. We be working up late all night. They tryna tell us that we all high. They just mad cause we won't stop. I could do this shit all the time. These boys lames, designer frames, looking through Cartiers. In the Bay, we run game, we just tryna get paid. Won't let nothing come in between us, that's just simple and plain. Even them country boys say, Susie, we feeling you, man. I got a mouth full of gold, my mama hate when I wear it. These other rappers is old, I know it's fake when I hear it. We coming up in the era where everybody generic. These niggas ain't got no souls, they lyrics don't got no spirit. Oh, they don't really like me. Oh, shit, you don't have to. Cause we gon' ride this bitch until the wheels fall off. I'ma shit on everything like it's the bathroom. We be working up late all night. They tryna tell us that we all high. They just mad cause we won't stop. I could do this shit all the time. We be working up late all night. They tryna tell us that we all high. They just mad cause we won't stop. Yeah, I could do this shit all the time. Out of my shell, feeling myself, California dreaming. Soon as I step on the stage, I'm hearing women screaming. Lifestyles of rap stars with dreams of fast cars. But little do they know these dreams is not far. I'm back, better than ever. On top of my game, steady climbing. I put them diamonds in a piece on my chain. They just want a piece of the pie, want a piece of mine. Feet on the ground, head in the clouds, trying to reach the sky. Out on my own, fuck it, I'm grown now. I'm back on my zone, on the chase. The rap race got me chasing the throne. I don't believe you, so I'm riding to my own shit. And fuck you groupie hoes, I pull up with my main chick. Waking up late all night. They tryna tell us that we all high. They just mad cause we won't stop. I could do this shit all the time.